Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Fisker confirms PEAR production at Foxconn factory, expecting to produce 250,000 units a year. So this is huge news. Courtesy of the EV blog, the electric vehicle website. I recommend checking out this blog to keep up with electric vehicles because they're fantastic. The electric maker vehicle Fisker confirmed on Thursday that it will start production of the PEAR at Foxconn factory in Ohio. The company expects to build a minimum of 250,000 vehicles per year once the plant is up in production, and these vehicles will be the Fisker Pear. Fisker's second model after the Ocean has an expected price below $29,900. But my question is, does this factory belong to Fisker now, or does this factory belong to another company that are simply going to build the vehicles for Fisker? That's my question. So let's try to answer my questions in this video because I'm curious. This is what I've wanted for Fisker for a long time, for them to have their own factory. So it says here, the PEAR will be a revolutionary electric vehicle that won't fit in any existing segment. The exterior design will feature a new lighting technology and a wrap-around front windscreen inspired by a glider plane glass canopy. Enhancing front vision, Fisker chairman and CEO Henrik Fisker said, adding that he plans to visit the factory with a team of engineers on Friday, May 13, 2022. This is fantastic. This is today, Friday, May 13, 2022. Our engineering group is working on a new feature and high-tech solution for PEAR that will change how we use and enjoy a vehicle in the city, Fisker said. So this is what the Fisker company posted on Twitter. Business update. We're excited to confirm the production location of our second vehicle Fisker Pear will be based on the Fisker proprietary platform and assembled at Foxconn manufacturing factory in Ohio starting in 2024. So we expect to build approximately 250,000 vehicles or units per year once ramped up. This is fantastic, but try to remember, I do believe that this factory is owned by Foxconn, not Fisker. So the Fisker Pear follows the company's first electric vehicle, which starts production in Austria in November 17th, 2022 this year. The Fisker Pear will have an expected base price of $29,900 before incentives. The Fisker has been designed and engineered the vehicle to reduce the parts of rapid, simplified manufacturing. The Fisker Pear will be built on a new proprietary architecture. This new platform will underpin to additional models that Fisker will introduce at a later date. Ladies and gents, let me just tell you one thing. If Fisker actually achieved this goal by building a car that costs less than $30,000, this will be incredibly profitable for Fisker and incredibly revolutionary for Fisker because they will be offering this directly to the United States market. So Apple TV show 10-run feature on the first episode of the second season, a Fisker Karma model. The episode of Emma award-winning series went online on May the 6th, and Henrik Fisker quickly reacted on Instagram saying, if you are looking for someone to design your car, give us a shout. Last week, Henrik unveiled that the project Ronin is a 4-door convertible targeting 600-mile range. Henrik also disclosed that the model will feature 3 motors and a reach of 0 to 60 in as close to 2 seconds. But of course, that's just a promise. We won't know this until the vehicle is built, and we cannot judge until the vehicle is built. So on the same day that the announcement was made, Fisker released its Q1 2022 financial results, followed by a conference call. Henrik Fisker unveiled high ambition for upcoming PEAR model, saying that the 3 derivatives will enable the company to sell 1 million pairs a year sometime in 2027. The CEO also commented on his announcement of the new model, Project Ronin, that will unveil in August 2023. The GT will feature unique doors for better ingress and egress and luxurious, sustainable vegan interior that plots a new advanced design direction. Fisker Ronin, an innovative, high-tech electric GT sport car, battery pack integrated into the structure for more efficiency and lower weight. Range will be over 550 miles expected. That would be incredible, absolutely incredible. Expecting pricing starting just under $200,000. That's incredible. Showing prototype August next year. And that's what Henrik Fisker had to say. So this would be incredible. I cannot wait to see that next year, and that will be the Ronin. So in other Fisker related news, obviously, this was on the Fiskerati blog, which is really good to keep up with Fisker news. Foxconn closes Lordstown deal to build Fisker Pear. So it looks like Foxconn bought the warehouse for Lordstown and they're going to use it to build a Fisker Pear, which is exactly what we were talking about in the EV article. But this is going to explain it slightly different. We're going to get some more information. Starting with Foxconn closes a $230 million deal for Lordstown Motor Factory in Ohio to build the Fisker Pear in 2024. So the factory cost them $230,000 and it was owned by Lordstown Motor. And Lordstown isn't doing pretty good right now, which is kind of disappointing. So Fisker and Foxconn partnered in February 2021 to develop a breakthrough electric vehicle. Foxconn will start production of the Fisker Pear in 2024. So unfortunately, Fisker doesn't own the factory, which is kind of disappointing for me, but at least they have two manufacturers now. They have Magna in Austria, and Magna is known for building the Mercedes G-Wagon. So listen, Magna builds brilliant cars. I've never said anything bad about Magna not building great cars. What I have said, I still think Fisker should have their own factory, no matter how good the cars are when Magna builds them. But they do build great cars, because I love the Mercedes G-Wagon. Foxconn will manufacture the vehicle, projected annual volumes of 250,000 vehicles per year. That's incredible. The global market scope includes North America, Europe, China, and India. This will be the second vehicle introduced by Fisker, following the launch of the Ocean SUV in Q4 of 2022. Fisker's third vehicle will be the Ronin supercar, priced nearly $200,000. How incredible. But I'm excited for the Pear, I'm excited for the Ocean, and obviously I look forward to seeing more information on the Fisker Ronin. So I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Check out Electric Vehicles on Twitter. It's a great way to keep up with electrification information on all electric vehicles. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.